I thought this would be bad. I was wrong. It has a built-in grinder, a steam wand and a 20-bar pump, but it costs way less than most espresso setups. So I tried it for you guys for 2 weeks now to see if it's actually good or just another cheap Amazon machine. Before we start, please subscribe to the channel. It will help me help you to find the best coffee gear out there. This is the AMZCHEF Espresso Machine, a semi-automatic espresso machine made for home users. You can make cappuccino, espresso and lattes. You also get a built-in grinder, adjustable grind settings, and a steam wand for milk. And one small but nice detail, it has this section gummy fit underneath, so it locks onto the table. It doesn't slide around at all when you're using it. First impression is good. The machine looks clean and modern. It doesn't feel super cheap. The portafilter has decent weight, and it looks great on a kitchen counter. Yes, there is still plastic here and there, but overall it feels solid for the price. Setup is simple. Fill the water tank, add beans, choose your grind size, and you're ready. Let's put it to the test and make a coffee. Starting up with grinding the beans. The grind adjustment can be easier. It takes a bit of trial and error to get it right. Now for the important part, the espresso. Choose between double shot or single shot. The machine makes rich shots with nice creamer. The flavor was much better than I expected at this price. The built-in grinder helps a lot. Fresh beans make a huge difference. Now this is not a high-end cafe espresso machine. Some shots were stronger than others, but for everyday home coffee, most of you should be really happy with it. The steam wand is actually pretty decent. It gets strong enough to get a good milk size. If you are new to milk steaming, it takes practice. My latte art still needs work. A few things could be better. The machine can get messy. If you are brand new to espresso, there's definitely a learning way to go. So, is it worth it? I think yes. For the price you get a lot. Fresh ground coffee, solid espresso, and good milk steaming. For beginners or casual coffee lovers, this machine is really fun. This machine is a great way to start without spending a fortune. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you like, hit subscribe and see you on the next video.